Guided meditation for managing stress at work. Welcome to this guided meditation for managing stress at work. Find a comfortable seated position, either at your desk or in a quiet space. Close your eyes gently or lower your gaze, and take a moment to settle into your body. Let's begin by focusing on our breath. Inhale deeply through your nose, filling your lungs with air. Hold for a moment. And now exhale slowly through your mouth. Let any tension in your body release with each exhale. Repeat this process a few more times. Inhale deeply. Hold. And exhale, letting go of any stress or worries. Feel the rhythm of your breath, calming your mind and body. Now, bring your attention to the present moment. Feel the ground beneath your feet and the chair supporting your body. Imagine roots growing from your feet into the ground, anchoring you and providing stability. With each breath, feel yourself becoming more grounded and centered. Allow any stress or anxiety to flow down into the earth, leaving your body light and relaxed. Now, visualize a peaceful place, perhaps a quiet forest, a serene beach, or a cozy room filled with light. Picture yourself there, feeling safe and relaxed. Imagine the sounds, the colors, and the sensations around you. As you immerse yourself in this space, notice how calm and peaceful you feel. Allow this tranquility to fill your entire being. As you continue to breathe deeply, repeat this affirmation silently or aloud. I am capable, I am calm, and I can handle any challenge that comes my way. Let these words resonate within you, reinforcing your strength and resilience. Slowly bring your awareness back to the present moment. Wiggle your fingers and toes, and take a deep breath in. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Take a moment to notice how you feel now compared to when you started. Remember that you can return to this state of calm whenever you need throughout your workday. Thank you for taking this time for yourself. Carry this sense of peace with you, and approach your work with renewed focus and clarity. You are capable of achieving great things.